Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna walk through two common use cases asked in Capgemini's April 2025 interview. One is fetching and displaying user using use effect, and second one is understanding use layout effect in a practical example. Let's dive in. In this example, we're gonna build a simple user list app using React. We start by importing use effect and use state. The use state hook helps us to store the user data that's we're gonna fetch from the API. Initially, let's set it as an empty array. Next comes the use effect hook. Since we have passed an empty array dependency, this use effect runs only once when the component mounts. Inside the use effect, we're gonna make a fetch call to a placeholder API that returns an array of user data. We then convert the response into JSON using response.json and call set users of data to store the result in our state. Let also includes this .catch block to log any potential errors. Finally, inside the JSX, I'm going to display the heading and let's loop through the users array using .map function. For each user, we render a p tag showing the username. The key prop helps React optimize the rendering and avoid unnecessary re-rendering. This is a basic example, but it's often asked in interview to test our understanding of data fetching and rendering using hooks. Now let's walk through the use layout effect. This example fetches a single blog post and displays its title. We start by importing use layout effect and use state. Then let's declare a data state variable initialized to null. Inside this use layout effect, we fetch post data from the same placeholder API. Once we get the response and convert it to the JSON, we store it in data. But why use layout effect? Unlike use effect, which runs after DOM as painted, use layout effect runs synchronously after all DOM mutations, but before paint. So this ensures like there's no visual flicker or layout shift, especially useful if your DOM depends on the fetched data immediately. Finally, in the JSX, we use a conditional render. If data is available, we display its title. Otherwise, let me show you a fallback loading text. So this example helps interviewers test your understanding of React's render lifecycle and when to use layout effect for critical UI rendering. And that's it. Two important real world examples using use effect and use layout effect. Mastering these hooks along with their purpose and execution timing can help you confidently clear React interviews. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more real world React interview questions and projects. So, yeah, drop your next topic in the comments. I'll build it with you line by line. See you in the next one.